Want to know how to install KoinMaster on your phone, which is your Android or your iPhone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to just simply open up your Play Store or your App Store, depending on the platform you're on, and then just simply select the source bar right here, and then just simply type KoinMaster. And once you have typed in KoinMaster, you should be here. So this is your KoinMaster. You can just simply select install and it will be installed. So you can also scroll down and see much more. That is the reviews and when was the last update and what the game is about. You can also see its trailer and how it's played, its overviews, etc. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Once installed, you can just simply play on your Android or iPhone. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. See you in the next one.